Here's a late March update. Here's my aquaponic system. Down here, you can see the fish swimming around in here. Here is the chocolate mint that never died. It didn't die during the winter, so it's going strong. I need to process this and dehydrate it and all of that. But the chocolate mint, here is my worm beans going strong. Over here I have this Malabar spinach. It's kind of like take over everything. So Malabar spinach, I got some Swiss chards going great. I didn't clean everything up on purpose so it can give it more stuff to climb. I got some long beans to climb on here. Over here, some red chard coming up, onions. I have some artichoke, first time, you see what's up. We have some okra starting to come out now. Then there is the asparagus. Some say I need to pop these, but I'll deal with them later, these little seeds. I haven't really put much else in here. I'm not really trying to go. This is actually something I don't want. I just hadn't pulled it out yet. This over here is how to get rid of the slugs. That's another story for another day. Whoa! This dinosaur kale is like covered with all kind of dinosaur kale, which is cool. Different type of kale hitting up over here. Then you have the mustard greens, which is doing great. The Florida broadleafs. We had some the other night. Some more spinach. Most of this green you see is spinach. Something else I don't want. I just need to clean up. Some more onions. Some more spinach. Something I was trying for cats, but that's not. It's a failed project. I need to clean it up. Tomatoes, sorrels looking good. Some more tomatoes over there. Some peanuts over here. Here is my sweet potato, not sweet potato, but my beets. Initially I was gonna pull them out, but I decided I'm just gonna leave them bad boys in like this, and I'm just gonna eat them, the green part. And I'm planting some more, so this is gonna be my beet bed. That's kind of what's up with that area there. Sweet potatoes, not sweet potatoes, I keep saying that, but this is my russet potato, trying something new, trying to add some more soil. You're supposed to keep covering it up, but that's what's up in here, my potatoes. My trash can compost bin. You have some hay that I'm going to be using for this project. My other compost bin, which is kind of a finishing bin of sorts. Got some stuff in there, it's nice and tasty. Bunch of crap all over the place I need to work on. Crap all over the place I need to work on. Lemon tree. This also, because the winter was so weird, it didn't die. I saw a flower here one day. We'll see if it did what it's supposed to do. We'll see. We keep hope alive. That's a quick run through of everything that I got going right now. Here's the other part of the garden. My original 5-gallon buckets. Excuse me. They're all connected. Need to clean up some, add some soil. Some work needs to be done really. The pineapples, like I said, started from grocery store. Then this one here produced, and it produced these two. This is the one that it produced. Some of my flowers are coming back, which was cool to see. So I'm thinking about making this whole thing just for flowers. It's a mixture of things right now. Some things I want, some things I don't. Here's some more herbs, rue. Here's some herbs here. I don't really want this either. I may take this out. This is just something I'm just growing as well. This is gonna be my new strawberry patch. This is also one of my mini experiments. This is a big old log that's in here. And on a certain level, that should not be in there. It's gonna take up too many whatever. But all of this other, what you see is dirt. It's worm compost, which I have an abundance of. But we'll see. 2 different types of strawberries to see which one I'll make it. And like I said, the back end of everything. Another one of the experiment sections. I'm trying another way of starting seedlings or starting like stuff and see if I can propagate. Really, it's a propagating experiment. What's happening over here? I got a cat coming around sometime. I don't want it messing around. I need to break down this aloe. I'm gonna take it up to the school and have the kids break it down. And here is my seedlings, I should say. This experiment is working pretty cool. I may keep doing this system where I can just water in here and then they can pull what they need from the bottom. It's probably about almost time to give them some more juice. The other part, this is my rain collection system. This barrel is connected to this barrel, which is connected to this barrel, so when it rains and it comes off the roof, it drops into here. This overflow pipe goes into there. All of this plumbing over here feeds into this. Over here is the filter system for the aquaponics, but the other pipes you see goes down around the fence line over into here, and all of these things are connected. All of these things are connected.